Hey everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here. Today, we're diving headfirst into something truly groundbreaking, something that's poised to redefine how we interact with artificial intelligence, right in the palm of our hands. We're going to talk about, and more importantly, show you how to install the Google AI Edge Gallery. Get ready, because this isn't just another app. This is your chance to explore, experience, and evaluate the very future of on-device generative AI, all powered by Google AI Edge. So, let's break down the core features that truly make this app a game changer, and why you absolutely need to check it out. Run locally, fully offline. This is perhaps the biggest selling point. Choose your model. The gallery isn't limited to just one AI model. Ask Image. This feature is incredibly cool and practical. Prompt Lab. For anyone interested in the art of prompting, this is your playground. The Prompt Lab allows you to explore single-turn large language model use cases. AI Chat. This moves beyond single-turn interactions. With AI Chat, you can engage in natural, multi-turn conversations with the AI. Performance. Insights. For the tech enthusiasts and developers among you, this feature is gold. The app provides real-time benchmarks and performance insights. Bring your own model. This is a fantastic feature for developers and researchers. If you've been working on your own local light-RT.task models, you can easily load and test them within the gallery environment. Developer resources. Google is all about empowering developers, and this app reflects that. It includes quick links to essential developer resources, including model cards for the integrated models and access to the source code. Now, let's briefly touch on the ingenious technology that makes all of this possible. Google AI Edge. This is the foundational suite of core APIs and tools specifically designed by Google for on-device machine learning. light-RT. Think of light-RT as a lightweight, super optimized runtime, specifically built for executing AI models with minimal resource consumption. LLM Inference API. This is the specialized API that powers the on-device large language models within the gallery. So what are you waiting for? This isn't just a glimpse into the future. It's the future available to you today. If you found this video helpful or exciting, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want to stay on top of the latest in AI, tech, and everything in between, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming deep dives. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you in the next one.